Bea na doble pagmamahal kay Dominic. Labis na kinilig ang mga netizen sa mga reels at larawang ipino-post ng engaged couple na sina Dominic Roque and Bea Alonzo habang nagliliwaliw sila sa Europe. Super sweet ng magjowa at lalo pang ang nakadagdag sa kilig ay ang ganda ng lugar na kanilang pinupuntahan. Sa isang IG post ni Bea ay ikinwento niya kung gaano siya ka-happy habang nadi-discover pa niya ang mga good qualities ng kanyang fiancé while traveling. Pagbabahagi niya, si Dom daw ang nagbubuhat lahat ng mabibigat nilang daladala. We took the train from Lugano to Milan, and from Milan, we had to ride another train to get to Florence. We then rented a car and drove to Tuscany. Although I helped, Dom did all the heavy lifting and managed to drive the vehicle, kwento ni Bea. We were happy to find out that the beautiful Hotel Villa we booked to stay in happens to be a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we stuffed our faces with their handmade pasta and perfectly cooked bistecca under the moonlit olive trees. This will definitely go to my core memory, patuloy niya. Proud ding ikinwento ng aktres ang mga iba pang mga kabutihan ni Dom and each time ay natutunaw ang puso niya. Traveling together as a couple allows you to discover the different sides of your partner. It still makes my heart melt when Dom helps the old lady carry her suitcase on the train, the way he offers to take a picture of a couple we pass by and promises to send them a high-res version of the photo, and just the way he goes down the hotel in the morning to get me a good cup of coffee, chika pa ni Bea. The relationship is perfect, but these qualities offset all the others. It's the little things that make me love him more, pagtatapos pa ng aktres. Pinusuan ng maraming netizen and kapwa celebrities ang post ni Bea at marami ang nagkomento kung gaano nga kaswerte ng aktres kay Dominic.